guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. This is my series, Drag 101, where I teach you how to be a queen, a drag queen. Today's episode is all about hair, drag hair. You know, the higher the hair, the closer to God. I have a very special guest, a licensed cosmetologist today to help me out. She's a fierce, butchy drag queen all the way from Dallas, Texas. Please help me welcome Plastique TIARA! Hi! Yes! So good to see you! If you guys don't remember, I had Plastique TIARA on my channel. We did a Get Red with me, so sickening, and she is back because she is a professional host. She slays wigs and hair all day, every day. And girl, what are you gonna teach us today?
Today I'm gonna teach you and you at home how to turn a nasty ass old wig out the bag into some sickening drag hair.
Yes, you guys, I love her. If you guys aren't following her on social media, she has the most amazing hair, and I want all of you guys to learn from the best. I am a makeup person. I do know a little bit of here and there with hair, but we needed someone professional to help us out today. So let's jump right into the video. So what you're gonna need is a wig, human or synthetic, lace front preferably, depending on your budget, okay? Some hairpins. We're gonna need a wig block or a wig head. Who doesn't love head? And then we're gonna need some clips for the hair to hold back.
You're also gonna need a teasing comb, a paddle brush, some scissors, a hair dryer, a light hold hairspray, and a strong hold hairspray. Okay, you guys, so one way I like to mount my wigs is if you don't got money or you don't got the time to buy an actual wig stand, you can actually take just a camera stand and take a little towel, lay it on top, and Patrick,
stick it in the hole.
Boom! And you got yourself a nice little wig stand.
So for me, I never knew about this technique. I think it's cute, it's fancy. I ain't got no room. I like to sit down because my ass is so tired all the time. I like to sit. So if you like to do that, there is this contraption here that you can get on Amazon or online. I'll link everything down below for you guys to get. But this literally grips on to the table right here, and you can take the wig head and mount it on there, and you can work from there. And if you don't got money, knock on your neighbor's door and ask them to sit their ass down and do the wig on them, okay? All right, girl, what's the first step?
So first, you're gonna get your wig out the package. So she's a little crunchy, she's a little dusty.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take your paddle brush.
Okay.
You're gonna brush your hair.
Yes.
Get all the tangles out.
So this wig that I got is from our good friend BobbyPins.com. Where do you like to get your wigs?
I get my wigs from, I just wear human hair nowadays.
Oh, so she's fancy. See, the difference is human is more expensive and synthetic obviously is synthetic and fake. Plastic, some are heat friendly, but most aren't. So if you want the good and pay a lot more money for the good
and be broke
and scalp a sister, then go for the human hair. Human hair, I think, is for people that wear hair every day or that want something more fancy for a special occasion. And I think it lasts longer, right?
It lasts way longer, and then you can reheat, restyle it.
And you can color it too.
Rewash, color, do whatever you want. Synthetic is a little bit more limiting. However, like if you want to stack them, if you want to do like a bigger do, this is more just like easy every day. But if you want like a big giant updo, much easier be achieved with a synthetic wig where you can double stack, bobby pin it together, safety pin it together, do whatever you want.
This is how I do my wigs.
You can fluff her out. So yeah, that's one way where you can get the tangles out of your wig. And another way, you can always steam your wig, you know, and if you recurl or restyle, you can just reset them in rollers and put them in the bag and steam them from underneath.
It's all done.
Thank you so much, Patrick.
Yeah, anything.
So next we're gonna anchor this wig. So you wanna use a lot of pins. The key is to like pinch a lace front like that.
Oh.
So then it fits your head frame. And the key is to have them close together.
It's like folding the edge of a pie.
Or a wonton.
Or a wonton.
Because we're cultured.
Okay.
And to have them kind of close to each other, so then when you try to tease it or anything, it won't rip off.
Oh, close to each other. Okay. And that's what's good. You can even get like a foam one if you want to save some more money, right?
However, this one, you can get different sizes of this head block. So you can get 22, 23, just measure around.
But if your head is super big like mine, you can get 26. Just keep going around?
Yes, just keep going and folding the lace so it fits your mannequin. And it's very important to pin the back here too, so when you try to tease it, it don't fly off.
So when Cardi comes for you, your wig stays on. It's okay, Nikki. Don't be scared.
Come here, bitch.
I
Come
stay
here.
right here.
Come here. Come here,
stay
bitch.
right here.
What are we doing?
You better run like a dungeon dragon. Run like a dungeon dragon.
Okay, Nikki. You're doing great, honey. Next, we're gonna start teasing the wig. So we start from the bottom up.
And these come in handy right there, right?
Yes, the alligator clips get all this hair out of the way.
Okay.
And you want to section it by a few wefts. You don't have to do each one because that takes a very long time. So now that we've sectioned off the hair, we're going to use the light hole workable hairspray and spray it all over the hair. Therefore, we have a little bit of grip and we can start teasing the hair from the bottom up. And you kind of want to go kind of crazy.
Really?
Because you don't really care what it looks like at the bottom.
And this is how you do your hair.
Yeah.
Because this looks nothing like your hair yet.
Not yet, but at the end, we're going to smooth her all out, so don't be scared.
And next, we're going to continue section by section until we're all done teasing the bitch out. Hold still!
May the power of Christ
compel you! Looking like Pheromone over here.
Pheromone.
Or Christina.
Which is the same
The same
person.
person. Alright, she just told me that we have to save the front pieces to later, so just tease the back until you're done.
And you can use whatever is gonna get this hair big and poofy. Because you want it to be big in the back here, and then when we smooth the hair over, it looks like there's just a lot of hair. Coiffed. So we get all that volume.
So we're giving Jersey Shore.
Yes, very snooky, 2000, forever.
So we're taking section like towards the front, like towards the middle. And
make sure you leave the front hairline kind of clean, because we're gonna need that to make everything else look like it was very coiffedly, very nicely done.
Alright everyone, this is what the wig looks like. We have teased the whole wig, just the back, leaving the front untouched, like a virgin, like me.
I'm a whore.
Alright y'all, synthetic or human hair, lace front is the way to go because the front is what the people see, what the audience sees, what the folks see at home. So since we have the lace front, it's so easy to choose a part because we do have the lace. Just make sure your lace goes far back enough. This one is a little bit of a cheaper wig, so it's 1 inch deep, so we're not gonna go too far with the part. If you bad and bougie like her and have a 6-inch part of lace that goes front to back, like meaning the lace goes from here all the way back, then you can have a more free form lace. But since we're going here, we're not gonna go too crazy. And next, Miss Thing has a little paddle brush, and we're gonna smooth all of this kitchen out in the kitchen.
So we just want to start combing out the top very lightly because you don't want to undo anything that you just did. So you just want to smooth everything out.
She's so cute.
On the surface, so it looks like it was, you know, she has a lot of hair and she's just been, you know, lightly hairsprayed. Nothing teased, nothing crazy.
Alright guys, so now that we took the front section and smoothed it over the tease parts, she's working on the front. So what we're gonna do, or what she's gonna do, because I'm not a professional, she said to spray this front part so when you're twirling, dipping, dropping, death dropping, all the 9, it doesn't move, right?
Exactly. So we're gonna take our stronghold hairspray. I'm gonna spray the lace front, all the smooth parts, so this remain intact.
I didn't know you use that much. This stuff is like cement. I'm so scared to use this.
And then what you're gonna do is, in order to set the cement, you're gonna use a blow dryer on cool to set everything in place.
Alright, now that the front is pretty much done, we're gonna go ahead and smooth the rest of this out so it looks seamless.
And if you wanna make like a wave to the hair, you can just smooth it out and then hold it and then smooth the S part out and let the wave of the hair do its own pattern kind of thing. And then let the hair tell you what it wants to do.
How'd you do that?
Hold and smooth out.
And then you work your way down. So hold, smooth, hold, smooth, hold. And then the curl will just fall into place. It looks nice. I'm so shook. Alright. Sashay, I stay.
Shantae,
Did I get
you
the-
stay.
Shantae, I stay.
Shantae, you stay,
Yes. Category is volume.
sweet. Ta-da! And once you're happy with everything, see how everything is nice and smooth.
Yes.
Nice and pretty.
Okay, and then
Get
take the stronghold.
The stronghold. We are not playing. And douse that bitch everywhere.
For real.
For real. Douse the bitch until she can't breathe.
This is how you do that wig?
Yes, totally.
So your crown can sit.
Mm-hmm.
So your tiara can sit.
So your tiara can sit safely on your head, okay?
Alright, before a bitch like me snatches it.
So once you spray, you have a little bit of time to smooth out everything that you want. Whatever, flyaways, spray, smooth, spray, smooth. You can use your hands or you can use the actual hairspray can if you don't want to get your hands dirty. And then you can take your hair dryer once again. Blow dry. Blow dry. To set all the hairspray in place so your hair will stay on all night.
Oh my god. Alright, now that she's done coiffing the hair, she told me to tell you to take out all the pins off the lace. I'm so excited to put this on.
Don't forget to take out the ones in the back. So now that we're gonna cut the lace, some people like to take the wig off the mannequin and cut it themselves. I like to cut it on the mannequin so then you can see where the curvature of the wig lays.
Yeah. And not on a human head.
And you can do that too, but I don't like doing that. And I like to cut mine pretty close.
What lace?
What lace? And at this point, you can take the hair off the mannequin and then cut the tab around the ears. And now this hair is all finished. I think that this wig deserves to go to someone really special. Peter? Sweetie?
She means me.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Orlando, Florida, contestant number 5, PatrickStarrr.
Hello, my distinguished panel of judges. I am yours truly, Mrs. PatrickStarrr. Applause.
Idiots, I pay you for a reason.
So next I wanna death drop in this wig in WeHo tonight. So she's gonna help me secure the wig, and there are one or two ways. Oh, really quick, if you do have hair, you gotta braid your hair back and throw on a wig cap. It's as easy as that. Y'all know the drill, you've seen Drag Race. So to secure the wig down, she has told me one of two ways they got to be. This is for multiple day hold, or
Carlon Spirit Gum. It's just the brand that I like to use. It's more temporary hold. However, it's still very strong and very effective.
so for just like the night or the day. And you could still death drop and stuff like that.
Death drop, split, jump kick, taboo.
Wait, can we show this clip of her twirling and flipping her hair? Alright, so how do we do this?
So I just like to secure the sides. First, you get her open.
Here's a little convenient brush for you.
Lift the lace.
What edges?
Paint her on. Lay the lace onto the skin. Make sure no hair is present during this process. You just take your booty blender and you tap. And then as you tap, you're gonna feel a slight tackiness. And that's how you know she's working.
And you'll do this around the perimeter of the head. This is your specific beauty blender for hair? Okay.
Or you can like take like a cloth, not a napkin, because then that will leave debris and make the glue dries white.
So like an old t-shirt or some old underwear.
Anything, old panties, old tucky panties, whatever you feel, whatever you gotta do. And if you are in HD, like we are today, you can take your powder foundation.
Ah, that's mine.
That's yo. Oh, she's almost there to the end.
We're struggling.
We're struggling. And then you can take a brush and put it on the lace. So everything is nice and blended. So then you don't get that white lace kind of
And you
look.
would do this if you were to be on TV on a certain season of a certain show.
What kind of show do you thinking?
A cooking show?
A cooking show,
Or
yeah.
competition?
A cooking competition.
Something like that.
Wet lace.
Ooh, I look so good! Whoa, 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 whoa! What's happening here? My wig ain't going nowhere! Try me! Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I am in love with this hair. We are bouncy, we are set, we are wavy, we are pageant ready. Thank you so much.
Of course, it was my pleasure.
Was I a good assistant today?
Yes, you were the perfect assistant.
Yes! The higher the hair,
the closer to Satan.
Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you guys want to follow PlastiqueStarrr, be sure to check her out on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, all her social media. She is so sickening. Can y'all comment down below if I'm giving you Pheromone or Christine? I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. You're so talented. Everyone follow her. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. I love you all so much and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I get my money now.
Who do you think you are? Ha! Hello. The food's here. The food's here. The fuck? If it's loving that you want, then you should make me your girl. Fuck my fucking nail. Ow.
That's the light.
Oh, that's the light hole. Here you go, sweetie.
Hello, honey. This is Jenny. This is Tammy. We're here to suck your dick.
I serve in more pheromone or